We do have it for sale and it might be sold now since we came home, but I wanted to show you what we had and what we traveled in. Hold on. Hey everybody, well, we're back in Canada, and as you can see, nice, snowing, hate it. Okay, well, I thought what I'd do is give you guys a little bit of a video of what we stayed in our trip to Arizona. We do have it for sale and it might be sold now since we came home, but I wanted to show you what we had and what we traveled in. Hold on. So this was our little rig. It's a 1996 Roadtrek Popular. This was a 170 model, Popular 170. So the 170 means that it's 17 feet. You like our little queen? You wave as you're going by. But here, I'll back up and you can have a better look at it. On the outside, the awning was missing. That was the only thing. I'll come around and show you guys this way. It was a cool rig to travel out west with. So these two doors open, the side door, but I'll take you in and give you a little view of what this was. So, hold on, I'm just taking my shoes off. Sorry guys. Okay, so this here folds out, so you would spin this front seat around and you can fold this down and it makes one single bed for like if you were traveling with kids or whatever. Lots of pocket storage up above. Here's the 3 famous windows of the Roadtrek up above, so you can close these curtains all the way across. These 2 captain's chairs at the front spin around, so it gives you a little bit more living space. So I'm trying to do this here. Let me see. Oh, a little bit better. This is your closet. So what we did, we just put bins in here, stacked up some bins with our clothes. This leg of this here goes back here for a table that fits in there. So all this folds down to a double bed. It was quite comfortable. But me and Todd were both 5'10", so you are touching tip to tip. This is a little storage area with a pull-out shelf to give you a little bit more kitchen space. And then you have cupboards up above. There's your air conditioning unit, another cupboard. I'll spin around here. Microwave. This was another cupboard up here that we kept like our dishes and stuff in, and another little cupboard here. You get the drift. There's a little stainless steel sink, 2-burner propane stove, and then you have your Dometic fridge. And this, of course, is storage here. Knife and fork drawer. No, that was our junk drawer, sorry. Knife and fork drawer. And this is quite interesting that nobody this doesn't happen much in a van. Okay, I'll back up here so you guys can see. This thing has, believe it or not, a washer and a shower. So there's Here's your washer. We used to put like towels and stuff up in here and everything, all our toiletries. So what you do is you pull out this here shower curtain, sorry, and it goes on this track up on the ceiling. Here, I'll back up. It goes along there. So if you can picture the shower curtain there, you stand here and you have your shower. So under this mat, we just put a mat here. There's a drain in the floor, so you stand there and you have your shower. So yeah, that's what we traveled to Arizona in. It was a little tough with 2 dogs and 2 adults, especially after having A classes for so long. This here is open up like so. You get 2 cup holders on your door. I mean, they thought of pretty much everything. That there is a table that pulls out, so we sat here and ate our dinner every night. Has a furnace. I will be sad to see it go, but on to bigger and better things again.